Hey, it's TechWalls here with another keyboard review, but this time it is not an ordinary keyboard. I really love the idea of a virtual keyboard since I saw it for the first time a few years ago. I thought that it was just a concept and would never come to mass production. Surprisingly, the product is widely available and I get my hands on one right now. Can this be a good alternative to physical keyboards? We're going to find out in the review. The virtual keyboard has a very simple and sleek design. It looks good even though the body is made of plastic. There are only a power button and a micro USB charging port on the right side. The device is very compact and lightweight. You can easily put it inside your pants pocket. Just make sure nothing touches the power button or it will be powered on and drain the battery. Basically, the product will project a virtual keyboard on your desktop. Then you can type directly on your desk. There are no physical keys here, so there might be more difficult to type because your fingers won't have any tactile feedback. By default, the feedback sound is a little loud for every key press, and I found it annoying because I want to use the keyboard at public places as well. I heard many complaints about this issue. Fortunately, you can press the function and left or right arrow to decrease and increase the sound volume. I've tested the product thoroughly, and I'm glad that it doesn't have any big issue. I can connect to my smartphone and my MacBook easily via Bluetooth and start using the keyboard immediately. It's actually very fun to touch the desk to input characters. However, the accuracy and typing speed are not really impressive, especially when you type with all 10 fingers. I made a lot of typos, so I had to change my typing habit. The best way to use the virtual keyboard is using 2 or 4 fingers. Then, the device registers key presses accurately, but the typing speed decreases dramatically. Another great feature is that you can use it as a trackpad or mouse mode. This feature works a lot better, and it can keep track of my hand movements very well. I can use one finger to control the cursor, tap on my desk to click, or use 2 fingers to drag and scroll. The keyboard is powered by a 500 mAh rechargeable battery. The operating battery life is about 1.5 hours and it will automatically turn off when being idle. Overall, the laser projection keyboard has a lot of rooms for improvement. I don't think it could replace physical keyboards anytime soon. Having said that, many people will love the novelty products like this one. It's fun to use and impress your friends. If you're interested, you can buy one on GearBest for around $30.